Hello everyone, it's Christina here. I'm a sales engineer at BST company and you are watching BST YouTube channel. As you might have guessed by the surrounding area, we are at the entrance of BST manufacturing facility. Some of you are interested in large truck-mounted drilling rigs that you can use for the core or auger drilling when you conduct the geological exploration and you need to drill up to 150 meters. Or in case you have a serious drilling company and your goal is to carry out as more drilling projects as possible to fit your deadlines, the machines on truck base are perfect for this and enable you to drill water boreholes of up to 300 meters and with specific configuration and in the hands of experienced drillers even up to 400 meters. And therefore today we present you this URB 2D3 drilling rig mounted on truck, and we will not only make an overview of this model but also show you its performance. BST drilling rigs can be mounted on Kamaz or Ural chassis, but this exact model is mounted on a brand new Kamaz truck and it has a Euro 5 compliant fuel. The 300 HP engine of the truck provides the power to the drilling rig via the PTO. And generally the trucks of this brand are used in Russia for military purposes. Thus you can be sure about their high durability. By the client's request, there is also a diesel generator on board. So with the help of it, you can power any other devices or equipment. It will allow you to complete small repairs right on site, in case such necessity arises, for example, some welding work. Rotary head of this machine is that of a G-rotor type 2D3, presented by two hydraulic motors that provide you the torque of up to 9,000 Nm. And this is the most upgraded and powerful configuration of the rotary head, and it definitely facilitates the drilling process and makes it much faster. The rotation frequency is 1 gear is 150 RPM and 2 gear is 390 RPM. The mast of this model is designed to be able to work with 4.7 meter tools. It's reinforced and has a capacity of 10,000 tons, so it can easily handle the weight of at least 64 drilling rods to drill up to 300 meters. The reinforced folding carriage on rollers is presented here. 12 rollers in total, 6 on each side. It makes the carriage more durable and robust, and it allows the drilling rig to easily drill in any type of formations, especially in hard rock when drilling is challenging and it implies constant vibrations. The carriage is folding, which means that it can be folded aside and there is no need to move the drilling rig for an operator to easily do the installation of casing pipes or to perform support operations with the help of a hydraulic winch. The drilling rig is equipped with a winch for auxiliary operations and it allows to handle the weight of tools of up to 2.5 tons. And here you can see the control panel that includes some levers and gauges. And as for the labels, they will be written in your language, so no worries. And as for now, let me give you some explanations for some of the gauges and levers. For example, here we have the indicators for the temperature, for the oil pressure, for the rotation pressure and carriage pressure. And as for the levers, here we have levers responsible for the outriggers on the frame, outriggers on the mast. This is for the rotation of the drilling stem, the winch and the carriage travel. There is an onboard mud pump named NB80 that enables you to perform wet drilling in soft or average soil types and reach up to 500 meters. The oil cooler is on the board here as well, and it's needed to keep the oil from overheating. It has a high capacity and is protected with a special casing. There is also an onboard air compressor under the brand name Dolly with the capacity of 15 cubic meter per minute and the flow pressure of 15 bars that allows you to perform air drilling in hard rocks. The engine of the compressor, made in the USA, is Kamaz, proving that the compressor itself is really reliable. It was also tested and verified by our clients and engineers who confirm its efficiency. Plus, if we talk about cost efficiency, it gives you the best quality-price ratio nowadays. Lighting of the work area is available for this model as well, which makes it possible for you to continue drilling even during the nighttime. And as you can see, it's located on the mast and on the control panel. There are also several folding ladders that are protected from possible snow or rain, and it gives the comfortable access to the platform of the drilling rig. So right now the ladder is in open position, and this is how it looks like when it's been folded. As you can see, this drilling rig is equipped with 6 hydraulic outriggers. 4 of them are located on the frame and 2 are on the mast for extra stabilization. This particular model is an example of the maximum grade of the URB drilling machine with the mud pump, compressor, generator and a winch. And to sum up all the characteristics, one can tell that such an URB drilling rig model can be used for various objectives such as water well drilling, construction, mining, geological survey, and so on. And knowing your parameters and needs, we can help you select the right tools and bits and equipment to be provided to you along with the drilling machine. Let me know and contact me on my WhatsApp. My number is +7 922 706 7000 or via my email, which is bst.guseva@gmail.com. And remember, BST company helps you get money from underground.